guys, it's me Panya. So today I'm going to class for making something like a bird nest. Don't forget to grow a lot of flower for the bees. Like it turns out into gold. Hello guys, it's me Panya. So today actually, as I said in many video, my, you know, my project is turning dry into gold. As you can see it, I just use a grass and to make it something like a bird nest. I hope you like it. Beautiful. So the location, the mountain behind me that you guys see right now is people in Cambodia live it be called Phnom Maroi or in what Phnom Maroi or what Pagoda and Phnom Mountain and below 100 just you guys can set it in in Google Map. Yes, uh, my area that I've been saying right now near that. So the location people are just growing a food something like like a good like a benefit food for okay